I would like to explain the method for reading a program from the CPU. Set the Run, Stop, Reset switch of the CPU module to stop. Click the Read from PLC button from the toolbar. On the PLC Module tab, click and select the programs and parameters to be read from the CPU. After selecting all items, click Execute. If a parameter or program already exists in GXWorks 2, an overwrite confirmation appears. Click Yes. After completing reading, the message Complete is displayed. Click Close. Click Close to close the dialog box.